reproductive technology. So today also we will discuss about the assisted reproductive technologies, ARTS. So I told you in the last class that what do you mean by assisted reproductive technologies? Assisted reproductive technologies means what? The technologies which is used for the for the prevention of infertility, that is called assisted reproductive technologies. So you can say that the technologies which are used for the treatment of infertility. See, what is assisted reproductive technologies? The technologies which are used for the treatment of infertility. So जो टेक्नोलॉजी infertility or treatment में used होती, that is called as assisted reproductive technologies. So again I repeated, what do you mean by assisted reproductive technologies? The technologies which are used for the treatment of infertility. For the treatment of infertility, the technologies are used, that is called as assisted reproductive technologies. So in assisted reproductive technologies, we will study the GIFT. Sorry, we will study the test tube baby program. Test tube baby program. So see, in test tube baby program, so see, in test tube baby program, there is two donors are required. One is your female, another one is your male. See, last class you have a doubt on what your test tube baby program. So in today's class we first discuss about the test tube baby program. See, in this program what happened, one male and one female partner and one male partner is required. Clear? So here one female give the egg and one male give the sperm. Clear? Female give the egg and male give what? Sperm. So listen, what happened in the next step? See, in step 2, the sperm and egg both are fertilized in a test tube. Both are fertilized in a test tube. See, the sperm and egg both are fertilized in a test tube in vitro fertilization process. So see, what do you mean by in vitro fertilization? In vitro fertilization means what? Outside the body but having same environment respected to the body temperature. Again I repeated, what do you mean by in vitro fertilization process? In vitro fertilization means what? Outside the body, that means body ro bahare habo, but having same temperature, same pH respect to the body. That means तम body रे जहाँ भी temperature pH रहुची, तमरो test tube laboratory रे भी same pH और temperature ही रहबो. Clear? That is your in vitro fertilization process. So sperm and egg, they are fertilized in a test tube in the laboratory. That's why this is called as test tube baby program. Clear? Jehetu fertilization, although the fertilization takes place in the test tube, that's why this is called as test tube baby program. Clear? So see, when the sperm and ova, they are fertilized, they form zygote. They form what? Zygote. As we know that when the sperm and ova they are fertilized, they are form what? Zygote. Seman kon formation kore? Zygote formation koribe. Clear? So see, after the 48 hours of fertilization ro kon hoji beta 48 hours pare what happen? The division process will start. Division process start hobo. Clear? And the division process of cell within the zygote is called as what? Cleavage. ठीक अछि? See, the Then see the step 3, that is the division of cell within the zygote. Clear? Division of cell within the zygote. ठीक है? Division of cell within the zygote, and that process is called as your cleavage. That is called as your what? Cleavage. That process is called as what? Your cleavage process. Then see, as I said before, suppose this is the zygote and this is the each cell. 1 cell, 2 cell, 3 cell, 4 cell, and each cell is called as what? Your blastomere. Each cell is called as what? Your blastomeres. Clear? So after the division of cell within the zygote, there is a formation of what? Your blastomere. ठीक अछि? जेते बेले कोन होछि बेटा जाइगोट रे जो सेल रहछि सेटा डिवीजन हबो, देन द फॉर्मिंग सेल जो सेल गुडा फॉर्म हबो, that is called as your blastomere. ता कोन कहबे? Blastomere कहबे. Clear? Then see, then the next is what? Your transport process. Transport process. So see, as I said in the last class, the transport process that is takes place in two way. The transport process that will be done in two way. The first one is your ZIP and the next one is your IUT. ZIP means what? What is the abbreviation of ZIP? Zygote intra-fallopian transfer. Then what is the abbreviation of IUT? Intrauterine transfer. Clear? See, again I repeated, the transfer process that will be done in two way. Clear? One is your ZIP, another is your IUT. So what is the abbreviation of ZIP? Zygote intra-fallopian transfer. Then IUT, intrauterine transfer. So see, in the ZIP, that means you know what is the condition that the zygote transfer into the fallopian tube of the female, and what is the condition that the zygote transfer into the uterus of the female. Clear? So see, when the zygote that having 8 blastomere, when the zygote that having 8 blastomere, that will transfer into the fallopian tube of the female. Again I repeated, see, when the zygote that having 8 blastomere, that will transfer into the fallopian tube of the female, and when the zygote having 32 blastomere, that will transfer into the uterus of the female. Clear? So when the zygote that having 8 blastomere, that will transfer into the fallopian tube of the female, when the zygote having 32 blastomere, that will transfer into the uterus of the female. Clear? So this is all about the test tube baby program. Clear? Again I repeated about test tube baby program. Listen carefully. See, so what do you mean by, first try to understand what do you mean by assisted reproductive technologies. The technologies that are used to prevent or for the treatment of infertility, that is called as assisted reproductive technologies. Clear? जो technology तमरो infertility रो treatment में use होउची, that is called as assisted reproductive technologies. Clear? So in the assisted reproductive technologies, you know, we need one female and one male. That means you might have one question, that what is the reason that the people or the couple undergoes this test tube baby program. See, as I said before, because of the infertility, that means there is a problem, there may be a problem in female or male. जदि मेल और फीमेल किसी प्रॉब्लम थिबो देन कोन हो इनफर्टिलिटी शो करबो कि नै से मानकर कहलो. सो जदि इनफर्टिलिटी हैला, देन फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ इनफर्टिलिटी द कपल अंडरगोस द टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी प्रोग्राम. क्लियर? सो सी, the first step of test tube baby program is, first of all, the female we have to, you know, the doctors, they will collect one egg from the female and they will collect the sperm from the male. Clear? So first we have to collect, or they have to collect the sperm and ova from the respective male and female. Then the second process, the both the sperm and egg, they are undergo fertilization in the test tube at the laboratory. Clear? सेमाने कौन हेबे, स्पर्म आउ ओव्यूम सेमाने फर्टिलाइज हेबे इन ए टेस्ट ट्यूब, कोड हेबे टेस्ट ट्यूब हेबे. क्लियर? एंड दैट इज द रीजन दिस मेथड इज कॉल्ड एज टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी प्रोग्राम, because the fertilization takes place in the within the test tube. That's why this is called as test tube baby program. Clear? So see, when the sperm and ova they undergoes fertilization, they form zygote. Clear? In natural process also, the sperm and ova they are combined to form zygote. So here in this case, in a test tube, when they are fertilized, they form zygote. Clear? Then see, the next step is division of cell within the zygote. Division of cell within the zygote, that is called as cleavage process. As we know that after the fertilization, the cleavage process will take place. Clear? आमे जानी छुजे fertilization process पर कौन होची बेटा, हम cleavage process होची. Clear? So cleavage process means what? The division of cell within the zygote. Clear? And we call each cell we called as blastomere. See, diagram करिथिली. So each cell is called as what? Your blastomere. सब cell कौन कहउचंती? Blastomere कहउचंती. ठीक अछि? So see, after the division of cell, we have to go for the transfer process. After the division of cell, we have to go for the transfer process, and the transfer process will be done in two way. Transfer process ketra way hochi? Two way. The first one is your GIFT and the second one is your IUT. GIFT means what? Zygote intrafallopian transfer. Clear? And IUT means what? Intrauterine transfer. Clear? So in zygote, in what condition, in which condition the zygote the transfer into the fallopian tube? Clear? See, when the zygote that divide and form 8 blastomere, jete bele zygote ta 8 blastomere condition e thibo, in that condition the zygote that transfer into the fallopian tube. Clear? When the zygote having 32 blastomere, that transfer into the uterus of the female. So this is the whole process of test tube baby program. Clear? Next we'll discuss about the another arts, that is GIFT. See, the next process is what? Your GIFT. The abbreviation of GIFT is what? Gamete intrafallopian transfer. So gamete intrafallopian transfer, GIFT, GIFT. Gamete intrafallopian transfer. So see, what do you mean by gamete intrafallopian transfer? Or you might have questioned that what is the reason the couple undergoes GIFT. Clear? So see, the reason behind this is, here in this case what happened, the female unable to produce healthy egg. See, female unable to produce healthy egg, but having healthy fallopian tube. See, female unable to produce healthy egg but having healthy fallopian tube. Clear? So that means the problem that present in the ovary. Again I repeated, in GIFT process. GIFT means what? Gamete intrafallopian transfer. Clear? So you can say that what is the reason that the couple undergoes in GIFT technology. So see, the reason behind this is the couple that undergoes in the GIFT process, they have the problem in the ovary. Clear? जेहेतु सेमानकर ओवर रे प्रॉब्लम रहुची, that is the reason they are unable to produce healthy egg. जेहेतु सेमानकर ओवर रे प्रॉब्लम रहुची, that is the reason they are unable to produce healthy egg, but they are having healthy fallopian tube. Fallopian tube means oviduct. Clear? So semanor kon tho healthy fallopian tube thibo, but the problem that takes place in egg, ovary, that means ovary unable to produce healthy egg. Clear? That is the reason the couple they undergoes in GIP process. Clear? So see what is the procedure of GIP process. So see, in the GIP process, the two female is required. Two female is required. Clear? First, one female is produced. That means the female which are eligible for the production of healthy egg. Try to understand and listen carefully this process. Listen. First, in this process, the doctor they will have to require two female. Semane ketra female require kore duta female. Clear? First female those who are able to produce healthy egg. जो माने कौन प्रोड्यूस करिवे कि जो फीमेल हेल्दी एग प्रोड्यूस करिवे फर्स्ट ताको कंसीडर करिवे. क्लियर? देन कौन करिवे से एग को नै कि कोठी तमरो इंजेक्ट करिवे इन द fallopian tube of the respective female. See, female first the doctor they will collect the healthy egg. Clear? semane first kon karibe ki gote female pakhru healthy egg nebe. Clear? So they will insert the healthy egg in the fallopian tube of the respective female. Fallopian tube of the respective female means the female that have the problem in the ovary but having healthy fallopian tube. Clear? That means ko female ta pregnant hobare jahar fallopian tube ta ठीक थिबो but problem ta कोड थिबो ovary रे थिबो. That is the reason the egg that will collect from the another female and that female is considered as donor. Why? Because it donate the egg. Clear? So see again I will tell about the procedure of GIP process. See, first of all the doctor they will require two female. First one is your donor and the second one is your receptor. Clear? Donor means what? Who donate, and receptor means what? Who receive. Clear? So see, as we know that the couple that having problem in the ovary but having healthy fallopian tube, जो मानकर ओवरी रे प्रॉब्लम थिबो बट fallopian tube हेल्दी हेथिबो सेमाने ही को प्रोसेस को जिबे GIP प्रोसेस को जिबे. ठीक अछि? So what happened, the first female जे donor से कौन करे बेटा ता कामो the function of this female is only it will produce the healthy egg. से केवल कौन करबो healthy egg ही दबो. Clear? ठीक अछि? Then what happened after the next process, the healthy egg that will insert into the fallopian tube of the respective female. Fallopian tube of the respective female means those female that are problem in the ovary but having healthy fallopian tube. So देखो एमानकर जो female टा pregnant हेबा को जाउची तारा fallopian रे किछि problem fallopian tube रे किछि problem नथिबो. ठीक अछि? problem काहरा थिबो ovary रे थिबो. सेहिथि पे डॉक्टर माने कोन करिवे अन्य गोटे फीमेल को नहीं की दैट मीन्स जो फीमेल टा डोनेट करिवो एग ताकू नहीं की ताहाटू हेल्दी एग आनी की कोठी से माने इंसर्ट करबे fallopian tube रे इंसर्ट करबे. देन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन इज गोइंग ऑन. तापरे ऑन द माने फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस टा ठीक ठाक चलिबो. ठीक अछि? That's all about the GIP process. Gamete intrafallopian transfer. Gamete means what? Of course female gamete. Egg is a female gamete and intra means what? Within the fallopian tube. So that's why it is called as gamete intrafallopian transfer. Then see the next technology is your artificial insemination. So before going to the topic artificial insemination, again I repeated about the GIP process. Gamete intrafallopian transfer. Clear? So in the gamete intrafallopian transfer, what is the problem behind this? The problem is what? The couple, that means the female having unable to produce healthy egg but having healthy fallopian tube. ठीक अछि? से कौन करथिबो healthy egg produce करि परिबोनी but having healthy fallopian tube. So in this process the doctor in this process we require two female. केतरा female दरकार? दुटा female. one is donor and another is receptor. So the donor that will produce the healthy egg, and the healthy egg that is inserted into the fallopian tube of the respective female. Respective means jota je pregnant habo, je conceive koribo. Clear? So when the egg that will insert into the fallopian tube, the process is going on, the fertilization process is going on. ठीक है? Then see, the next is your AI, artificial insemination. Artificial insemination. So insemination means what? The discharge of sperm within the vagina of the female. That means this technology is for the male. ए टेक्नोलॉजी कौन पे यूज होछ रे? मेल मानक पे यूज होछ. ठीक अछि. So see, in artificial insemination process, that means artificial insemination means what? The insertion of insertion INSERTION. ठीक अछि. Insertion means to inject the sperm within the body. हला बाहर sperm आनी की female रे body को दिया जिवो. That is called as artificial insemination process. So you might have one question that which male undergoes artificial insemination process. Clear? The male that is suffering in oligospermia. In reproductive disorder, we discuss about the oligospermia. Oligospermia means what? The male that produce less amount of sperm. Clear? So oligospermia means what? Male that produce less amount of sperm, that is called as oligospermia disease. Clear? So male that will suffer in the oligospermia disease, जो male माने oligospermia disease suffer ही थिबे, they only undergoes the artificial insemination process. माने कौन करिवे? Artificial insemination process को जिबे. आज this disease, the symptoms of this disease is production of less amount of sperm. So what happened in the artificial insemination process? Suppose this male that suffered in oligospermia disease, So see, if this male will suffer oligospermia disease, then what happened in the artificial insemination process? In the artificial insemination process, the doctor, they will inject amount of sperm, number of sperm from outside. ठीक अछि. अन्य गोटे donor ठु कोन sperm आनी की, that means the doctor, they will collect a number of sperm from the outside body. ठीक अछि. अन्य गोटे body रू, that means अन्य गोटे donor रू से माने कोन करबे? sperm आनी कोठी inject करबे? Respective male को inject करबे. That means those male having oligospermia symptom, जो male माने oligospermia symptom having करथिबे. What do you mean by oligospermia? Oligospermia means the secretion or the production of less amount of sperm. Clear? So see, again I repeated, artificial insemination. Artificial insemination means the insemination or the insertion of sperm from the outside body to the respective male. ठीक अछि. Outside body रू respective male को जदि sperm दिया जिवो, such process or that process is called as artificial insemination process. So what is the reason that the couple undergoes artificial insemination process or the male undergoes artificial insemination process? The reason is that the male that is suffered in oligospermia disease, and the symptoms of oligospermia is the production of less amount of sperm. So as you know that normally in sexual intercourse, one male discharge 1 to 2 million of sperm. आमे जानी चुकी गोटे सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स से मेल केते स्पर्म डिस्चार्ज करिवो? 1 to 2 million of sperm it will discharge. Clear? So in oligospermia disease, the male it only produce less than 2 million of sperm. ठीक अछि. 2 million नु कम sperm ही से प्रोड्यूस करिवो. That is the reason that the male that undergoes artificial insemination process. सेठी पाई मेल माने कोठी जिबे? को टेक्नोलॉजी को सान फॉलो करबे? Artificial insemination technology. Clear? Then see the next process. Then see the next process is what your intracytoplasmic intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection, that is ICSI. ICSI. It's a simple process. In this process, sperm that directly enter into the ovum of the female. See, in this process, the sperm that direct into the ovum of the female. Ovum of the female means, as we know that the ovum present in the ovary. Clear? So the sperm that direct inject into the ovary of the female for the fertilization process. Clear? So completed your reproductive health. Next we will discuss about the biotechnology. Next class we will discuss about the biotechnology chapter. See, so we discussed about today's class. We will discuss about today's class. First of all, GIFT. GIFT means what? Zygote intrafallopian transport. In the zygote intrafallopian, first test tube baby program. Test tube baby program. It's a method that is follow the in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization what? In vitro fertilization means what? The fertilization that takes place outside the body, that is called as in vitro fertilization. Clear? So in the in vitro fertilization, what will happen? First the female produce egg and the male produce sperm. So both the sperm and egg, it will take and fertilize within the test tube. Kodi fertilize karabo, test tube re fertilize karabo, and that's why it is called as test tube baby program. Then after fertilization, what will happen? After fertilization, the process of zygote is formed. Then fertilization, then zygote, then the division of zygote takes place. And the process of division of zygote is called what? Your cleavage process. And as we know that each and every cell within the zygote, that is called as blastomere. Clear? Then after the division of cell, the next step is what? Your transfer process. And the transfer process, it has two ways. One is GIFT and another is IUT. So GIFT means what? Zygote intrafallopian transport. Zygote intrafallopian transport means what? When the zygote having 8 blastomere, it will insert to the fallopian tube of the female. Then what do we mean by IUT, intrauterine transport? When the zygote having 32 blastomere, that will insert into the uterus of the female, that is called as IUT. So it's about the test tube baby program. Clear? Next come to the topic, that is what? Your GIFT, gamete intrafallopian transport. So as I said before, gamete intrafallopian transport means the female that are unable to produce healthy egg but having healthy fallopian tube. Again I repeated, gamete intrafallopian transport means what? Those female that having problem in the production of egg. Tankar egg re problem thibo, ovary egg production karuno thibo healthy egg, but having healthy fallopian tube. Clear? So in this process, the doctor, they will require two female. One is donor, another is receptor. Receptor means what? Those female, those who are conceived, jo mane pregnant hebe, conceive hebe, that is called as what? Your receptor. Clear? So from the donor, the doctor, they will collect the healthy egg. जेहेतु आंकर second female रे कौन problem थी, receptor रे problem कौन थी, healthy egg रे थी. So from the first female, they will collect the egg and insert into the fallopian tube of the respective female. And respective means what? Those are having problem. Clear? So then tapre kon karbe, se mane pregnant hebe, then the process is going on. ठीक अछि? Then see artificial insemination process. In artificial insemination process, what do you mean by artificial insemination process? That means the insertion of the sperm into the oligospermia female, oligospermia male. Oligospermia male means what? Those male that are unable to produce amount of sperm, that is called oligospermia male. So in artificial insemination process, what will happen? The doctor, they will collect the healthy sperm or number of sperm from another male, that means from the donor. Donor माने कौन? जे donate करिवो, ठीक अछि? Donor रू से माने कौन करिवे? बहुत गुडे healthy sperm आनिबे, then insert into the oligospermia male. जहा को oligospermia हेइतिबो ता देहरे insert करिवे. so that the male will produce amount of sperm. That is artificial insemination process. Then come to the topic, that is intracytoplasmic sperm injection, ICSI. So in this process, what happened, directly the sperm enter into the ovum of the female. So the fertilization takes place and the process is going on. Clear? So it's all about the reproductive health and assisted reproductive technology. So what do you mean by assisted reproductive technologies? Assisted reproductive technology means what? Those technology which are required for the treatment of infertility, that is called as assisted reproductive technologies. Clear? So it's all about today's class. Next class we'll discuss about biotechnology. Clear? Thank you so much, and don't worry about the notes. I will submit to in the next class or in the next following days. Clear? Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You, ma'am.